Red hot and fabulous. Anthurium make a spectacular centerpiece. Let me show you how it's done. The base, a ceramic dish filled with black midnight foam, so it will just disappear. Of course, the elegant Anthurium. The mechanics I'm going to use in the greening is a little bit unique, taking the Italian ruscus, giving it a cut, and then rather than doing individual placement, inserting, and then just wrapping it around, using a greening pin to hold it in place, or just taking another piece and placing it so it goes around and in, securing, and then wrapping once again. When you get onto this side, you can tuck it in, weaving it, and then taking one more greening pin, securing it in place. The Anthurium, taking them and cutting them short. So it's a perfect way to use broken stems and letting them angle outward from a central binding point, coming all the way around. And then once you've done a full series, coming back with the next one right beside it, pulling the eye in. As you bring in the second layer, this is where you want your absolute best, because if one's a little bit less and it's terraced underneath, it won't actually show. So you'll get to see the prettier ones right across the top, and then finishing, radiating around so that you fill it in completely. To capture perfection in this design, you want to pay attention to the spadix. Make sure that they each radiate outward. No crossing, no pointing, just guiding the eye. Creates rhythm in the design. Then for interest, taking some ribbon grass, folding the end, clamping it with a pick, then go ahead and insert that between the blooms, then give it a cut and feed it in, creating a little dynamic movement, and repeat that multiple times. Picked in, cut, insert, and repeat again. The recipe, actually quite minimal. I started with 2 stems of Italian ruscus, then 12 fabulous Anthurium, and then to accent 10 stems of the ribbon grass. That's it, just 3 items for an elegant centerpiece. You'll find more creative inspiration with Anthurium, plus care and handling techniques, little tips for how to work with them, all of that on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. Find 12 perfect blooms, create a centerpiece, take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.